And here we are, the final lap towards the playoffs. Who will get in, who will get out, who will go back home, all will be decided in a week's time. The points table is so congested, so tightly contested that all teams barring Chennai Super Kings have still mathematically a chance. Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Delhi Capitals definitely is one game which actually would light up the stadiums. Delhi Capitals, they had a great start to the tournament, but the second half they are losing steam a bit. Primarily because they don't have their strike bowler Ishant Sharma. Although he didn't play much in this tournament, they would have definitely wanted him to be along with them. Their new ball hope was Ishant. Tushar Deshpande started off very well, but he has lost steam a bit. The last couple of games he has given more than 12 as economy. So whether they will bring back Harshal Patel, who looked very good, who's a very handy lower order bat, is also one option which Delhi Capitals can think about. The poor form of Prithvi Shaw, they've actually dropped him in the last game, but it didn't do well actually because Ajinkya Rahane, who came in instead of Shaw, was dismissed for a first ball attack. So whether they would persist with Rahane and give him more chance also is another question to be looked at. Anyway, Shikhar Dhawan has been ominous in his form, and so has been Shreyas Iyer. Rishabh Pant has not had a great IPL, but he definitely has his game to come good anytime. Shimron Hetmeyer and Stoinis have been contributing really well in the middle order, and the bowlers Ashwin and Akshar Patel have been really good to actually restrict the opposition. Kagiso Rabada and Henrik Nortje are definitely the wicket takers for Delhi Capitals, and Rabada is in a hot streak of form with breaking all records. He's not gone wicketless in last 25 IPL games, and in this year's including this year's IPL, where he has taken at least a wicket in all the games so far. On the other side, we have Sunrisers Hyderabad, who had a game in their hand which they managed somehow to lose against Kings 11 Punjab. Chasing a very meager 126, they were coasting to a victory, 55 for no loss, but then lost wickets in a heap. The absence of Kane Williamson definitely is actually a negative, as their middle order was really banking on Williamson's form. Manish Pandey and Vijay Shankar have been doing really well, but David Warner, his strike rate and the initial power play which Sunrisers have not managed to light up the initial 6 overs. Johnny Bairstow too has not been that consistent this year, so definitely this game they would want all their premium batsmen to click. Rashid Khan has a tremendous record against most of the Delhi Capitals batsmen, especially Shreyas Iyer and Rishabh Pant. So it would be a move which Captain Warner would be waiting to bring him as soon as Iyer is at the crease. Iyer actually, in fact, has a poor record against Sandeep Sharma as well. T. Natarajan has been the Mr. Dependable as far as medium pacers are concerned. Khalil Ahmed has been good on and off. He needs to pick up his consistency. Overall, it's a decent SRH side against a Delhi Capitals side which is actually having a couple of form issues and just maybe a bit of complacency also creeping in. They but already have a foot in the playoffs because they are with 14. They have 14 points, just a game away to get into the playoffs. But SRH cannot lose any other games. If they lose, then they have to work on combinations and permutations of other games, other results. So definitely they wouldn't want to go that far. So SRH versus DC, definitely another high voltage game in the making.